Halo teman-teman, selamat datang kembali di channel YouTube saya. Ini aku Priska Sarli dengan channel YouTube bernama PX Sarli. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated for my future videos. Jadi untuk reaksi video hari ini, aku akan bereaksi terhadap video ini dengan judul, but by the way, this is in Tagalog. Kumakain ako ng delikadong cobra sa Indonesia. Bakit ito pinakain dito? Dan Indonesian translation, it will be like, aku makan berbahaya cobra di Indonesia. Kenapa makan di sini? So that's how it translated in Indonesian. I don't know if that's right because that's just my own translation. Aku makan berbahaya cobra. Yeah. But correct me if I'm wrong. So this is from a channel, The True Show. He's a Filipino traveler and he has a series of contents in Indonesia because he traveled to Indonesia, and he eats a varieties of food because he's a food vlogger. So this is one of his video. This is in Tagalog, but I will provide translation so that you can also understand it. So yeah guys, let's watch this video and let's see how this goes. So without further ado, let's get right into the reaction video. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Sa video na to,
Pops, she's such a badass. Look at that. Pinabalatan niya lang gamit kamay.
kakain tayo ng cobra
Cobra!
dito sa Indonesia.
It's really a
Delikado,
snake.
kinakatakutan at nakamamatay ang ahas na to.
15 times ang kinagat ng cobra at 15 times na rin sa hospital.
Pero bakit ito kinakain dito sa Jakarta? Samahan niyo kong tuklasin ang kakaibang food experience na to. Ready ka na ba?
Yo.
Tara!
Exotic
With
food.
the huge population and culture dito sa Jakarta, marami kang matitikman na masasarap na street food. Pero sa aking pagsasaliksik, tinuturing na special street food ang cobra dito. Pero teka, cobra, yung kapag kinagat ka, most probably deads ka na. Yup,
For real?
yun yung cobra na kakainin natin. At dito natin matitikman yan sa Queen of Cobra ng Jakarta sa stall ni Rika Cobra. At pumili na si Ate
Rika
Rika
Cobra.
ng magandang cobra.
Yo. It's really a snake cage. A lot of cobra. I don't think I can eat cobra. I don't think so. But it's good
This
to
is
try
a
as well.
live and breathing cobra dito sa Jakarta, Indonesia. At kakainin natin dito to. Cobra!
Cobra.
Oh, you want cobra, no?
No. I don't want it as
So
well.
ngayon ginagawa, pinugutan na ng ulo, tapos gino-juice out niya yung dugo sa baso. Pwede daw yun inumin. Palakas daw to ng stamina. Di ko alam kung sa kama ba yun o sa regular na araw-araw. Ito na, so babalatan niya na ata. Oh, wow.
Good thing he blurred it
that.
out.
Pinabalatan niya lang gamit kamay. Akala mo nag-unbox lang siya ng regalo sa Pasko. Oh, wow, this is... Grabe. Sobrang unique, Pops.
What's that?
What's that?
Spine?
Ay, yung buto.
Oh yeah.
Nagulat
cobra
na lang ako
spine.
nung pinakita niya sa akin ang mga peglat niya mula sa kagat ng cobra.
Yo.
So sabi ni Ma'am Rika, pinakita niya sa akin yung mga peklat niya. Yun yung mga sugat galing sa kagat ng cobra na hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang 3 beses, kundi 15 times ang kinagat ng cobra at 15 times na rin sa
15
hospital.
times.
But she's still doing it. And parang normal na lang sa kanya yung ginagawa. Parang normal na lang sa kanya yung kinakagat ng cobra. This is a great find and di ko makapaniwala sa kultura na nangyayari ngayon at nawi-witness ko. Tinatawag siya dito sa Jakarta na Rika Cobra o kaya the Queen of Cobra of Jakarta.
Pero ang tanong, bakit niya pa rin ginagawa to? Dito daw kasi siya magaling at profitable ang pagbenta ng cobra. Ito daw ay nagbibigay ng stamina sa mga lalaki, pero basically, pangpahaba lang ng endurance sa kama. At hindi lang ito pagkain, ang mga organs at dugo nito ay pinapaniwalaan na pwedeng magpagaling ng iba't ibang sakit tulad ng diabetes, rheuma, high blood pressure at iba pa. At sa mga babae dyan, pampaganda din daw ito ng kutis, sabi ni Ate Rica. Inihaw ng ating cobra at ginawa ng satay. Pero habang niluluto ay pinakain muna ako ng durian na katabing tindahan.
Durian?
Oh, durian!
Pops, may pa-free durian.
I love durian. Ako super durian.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Kitsa Sabutra.
Thank you so much.
Pure.
Terima kasih. Cheers. Cheers.
Terima kasih.
Wow. Good. Sedap.
I like
It's
durian
creamy,
too.
sweet. Parang butter na yung texture niya.
Unti-unti nang naluluto ang ating Cobra Barbecue at pinartneran na lang din yan ng sweet soy sauce na may sibuyas at sili.
Pops, ito na yung ating Cobra Satay or Cobra Barbecue
Cobra
dito sa
Satay.
Jakarta. Alam mo yung tsura niya, visually mukha lang siyang, syempre, pabansang description sa exotic food, mukha lang siyang manok. At yeah, this is 150,000 IDR. Di ko alam kung magkano sa peso yun,
556.
ipakita ko na lang. Anyways, ayan siya, 15 sticks ng satay. Anyways, Pops, tikman ko muna tong isa. Ooh.
How does it taste like?
It's nothing like chicken. It's chewy. Pero sabi na pagkakaluto, may konting lutong na sa gilid. Wow! Para siyang, actually, to be honest, it's like pork. Na mas chewy. Pero sobrang malasa. Ah, okay. Nandun yung pagka-lansa taste niya. Para may konting lansa. Okay. Parang gizzard pala, sorry.
Lizard?
Parang gizzard ng manok.
Oh, gizzard. Mutot
Dito
lizard.
ginawan tayo ng sauce. Parang siyang dark soy sauce or sweet soy sauce. May sibuyas din yan. Sarap.
I think it's
Nakakatawa
good.
lang kasi yung mga itong pagkain, yung kapag buhay pa, sobrang naka-intimidate. I mean, deadly talaga kasi nakakamatay yung cobra kapag tinuklaw ka. Si ma'am nga, 15 times sa hospital. Pero siguro feel ko lang, ito yung mahal niyang gawin eh. Dito sa Masaya, dito sa Magaling, at hindi lang cobra meat yung binibenta nila, maging iba't ibang parang cobra herbal medicine. Mas pinakamaganda daw dito, pampalakas daw ng stamina. Anyways pare, this is such a great find dito sa Jakarta. Roadside, busy streets, maingay, madaming ganap, madaming tao, masaya. At pinakamaganda doon, kakain ka ng cobra mula sa pagkabuhay hanggang sa pag-grill. Sa Pilipinas, yung na-consume ko palang cobra is yung Cobra Energy Drink. Pero dito, mismong cobra talaga sa Indonesia. Last bite tayo, Cobra Cheers.
Cobra energy drink, but in Indonesia, it's a food.
Hindi ko alam kung magiging si Johnny na ako ng Cobra Kai, pero ang sarap nun.
I think he likes it, so that's good.
Oh, you eat. Cheers. Makan.
So only brave people want to try to eat it. Only those
Alam
people
nyo,
who want to
isa lang
explore
natutunan ko sa
food.
episode na to. Kung mahal mo ginagawa mo, huwag kang titigil kahit minsan nasasaktan ka na. Katulad ni Rica Cobra na isang babaeng matapang at sabi niya na walang iba sa pamilya niya ang matapang na gumawa nito bilang hanap buhay. Ate Rica Cobra, saludo ako sa'yo.
Pops, dyan nagtatapos sa ating Cobra food trip dito sa Jakarta. Gusto kong pasalamat. Terima kasih, Miss Rica. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama.
Thank you so much.
Ya, sama-sama.
Thank you. Such a nice lady. I mean, sobrang bait niya. Hinayaan niya mag-interview. Nagkikwento pa siya kanina. Though di ko na maintindihan kasi Indonesian or Bahasa. Kung bibisita kayo na Jakarta at gusto nyo ng kinda extreme pero delicious sa street food, itry nyo na yung Cobra Satay dito kay
Cobra
Queen
Satay.
Rica. Rica
Satay.
Cobra. Rica Cobra. Maraming salamat po ng Lotus Vlogs. Chewy. Nagsasabi stay safe. It's a
Chewy.
good night and goodbye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Terima kasih, sama-sama.
Terima kasih sama-sama. Have you seen Rica Cobra in Jakarta? Do you agree with Chewy show? Do you agree? How does it taste like? Right? So it's really interesting to see that cobra meat is like cobra meat is like a street food. And I know not all of us eat exotic food, only the brave ones eat exotic food. And how he explained it, it's like pork, and I don't know. I think I'm afraid to eat like that. And I see in the video as well, the Indonesian boys, they don't eat as well, even though they are just close to Rika Cobra's stall, right? So it's really interesting to see that someone exists to bravely make a street food out of cobra, and this Filipino guy bravely eat the cobra satay, which he defines delicious. So if he says delicious, I think I would agree, since he's a food vlogger. But comment down if you tried it as well. So this is all for today's reaction video. I hope you like it, and I will see you soon to my next reaction video. Terima kasih banyak.